Today I have one of the Lego dot sets. I have the secret boxes. They have a key and you can create your own designs on top of them. On the back it shows just the other sets and what the 3 big steps that you do. Create, decorate, and then use and redesign. So you use it and then you take your design off and then put it back on again. This is just the pieces. Now I should be able to slide this off. There we go. Now the big box is actually quite small. So first I'm going to build, I don't know which one yet, but that's the size of the little box roughly. I mean the big box, not the little box. The little box is smaller. I guess that opens like a book and it's got storage spaces and everything inside. Now what's this? Because we've got to have instructions. This just says all the other sets. Yeah, all the other sets, don't need that actually. So this has to be the instructions to build the actual box. Oh, paper's stuck. Come on, paper. Don't want to rip you. Yep. So first I'm going to build the big box, even though it's at the bottom. But first I've got to open all of my bags. So we've got a mint. In here we've got a mint green, some white and what looks like some turquoise dots and curved pied pieces. Put those in there. Come out, you two. Come on. Okay. And then in here we have some purple quarter pie pieces. They look like quarters of a pie or a pizza. Put those in there. We've got some lighter purple. We've got some pink, light pink dots and squares and quarter pie pieces. Put those in there. Come out. In here we have some not see-through, not transparent, translucent, because you can see through them, but it's not like glass or something, it's got colour in it. We've got some blue, purpley, dark blue, I think, versions of those. Put those all in there. We've got some eyes for our box. We've got cute kitty cat pink squares, and we've got some black curved quarter pie pieces. Now I think this is for our little box, so I'm not going to open that yet. Put that to the side. This is also for our little box, so put those to the side. Now I've got all my pieces in here. Now I need to build it. Oops. Now I need to build it using the instructions. Oh wait, no, by the looks of it I need to open this bag in order to get the pieces for or some of the pieces for the box. Now I need to lay these out like that, and then I need to put the black pieces in those holes. Where's the other one? Here it is. Put the other one in the other holes on the other side. Come on. Jeez, this is really fiddly. But it will look really cool once it's done. There we go. Just need to give it a bit of a wiggle. Okay. Now by the looks of the instructions, I need a dot on here. I have to have this minty green dot. And I need to put that in with the studs there. Oh, this is to hold the key. Now I actually do need the other bag as well. So open that on that side. Right, I need this piece. And I need a blue piece on this side. That, and then that needs to go in the hole. Little hole in there. Yeah, that goes in the hole, and then that locks it so that it can't be opened. So that's what one of these blue keys are for. The other one, I think, is to get your pieces off when you want to redesign your thing, your boxes, your secret boxes. Now it's asking me to put a black square. It wants it this way. Black square on there, and then using these turquoise quarter pipe pieces, I need to put them here in a circle. Is that right? That doesn't look right. Why doesn't that look right? Because there's meant to be a hole in there. Have I done this the wrong way around? Because there's meant to be a hole in there for the key to go in. Where's the hole? I've done this the wrong way around, but I've done it the way the instructions say. So I'm going to have to flip that around. Put the square on there. Oh, it said to flip it around, but it said to put it on the holes. That makes no sense. And 1 minute that square's there. Or maybe it's gone on the other side. Yeah, it has. So that goes on there. And then I flip it. Okay. That makes sense now. This is a lot more confusing than I thought it would be. But it will, like I said before, it will look really good when it's done. Yeah, that goes that way. And that goes that way. Make a little square. Just make sure they're all straight, because I like them to be all straight. And then our key goes in here, and we're meant to twist it by the looks of it, but I can't seem to twist. Oh, that way. And then you take it out, and your box is locked. So if I want to unlock it, oh, that's so cool. I like the fact that it locks. And then it's telling me to get all my other coloured pieces. Ah, these are ideas for patterns, right? Oh, that's a cute outfit. Okay, for my box, I'm not going to do what they did on the box, because I've got something in mind I want to do. I want to put some light purple. Wait, do I decorate both sides, or I'll decorate the front side and then I will make the little box, and then I'll see what I have left over. So I'm going to put 4 of these on the edges with the corners pointing at the corners, like that. And I'm going to put one on this side.
bensound.com.
Now I've got 2 circles there. I'm going to try doing a wavy thing all the way down, maybe, but in different colours. So if I do it from here, straight, must be straight. I get some light purple and do that. Then I'm gonna get some darker purple, then some dark blue, some turquoise rather, not dark blue because dark blue looks different. Hold on, I've got to make sure that I follow this pattern all the way around. Let's go for some white. Ooh, it's like a snake. Now some minty green or minty blue, deep blue. And then I'm gonna go back to light pink again because I've now run out of colours. I have got other colour quarter pie pieces, but I'm going to try and stick to what is in what I've got in the box so that I can show you if you're doing this set at home. So I can show you what you can do with them. Must be straight. You must be straight. Okay. Be straight like all the others. Then I've got to go back to light purple, which is here. So I'm doing a
bensound.com. bensound.com.
locked. No, not locked. I've got to turn the other way. Thought it was locked, but it's not. That way should be locked. Locked. Now I must remember that I've got to turn it that way to unlock. When I take the key out, it works. And the other way. So this is the storage space inside. And that's my pattern on the back. This is my front, and this is going to be my back. I really want to decorate it. And I really want to fill in all the spaces, but sometimes you just don't have enough pieces to fill in all the spaces. So I might just have to do now. How about I take... Let's see if this key actually works to take pieces off. Come on. No. Okay, I'm gonna have to use my fingers this one time. I'm using my fingers this one time. And then on the butt, I'm gonna turn them round. So, no, don't turn them round, I like them. Now if I could I try doing this, but on the other side? So it like continues from here and then goes to there. Dark purple, then green. Greeny. It's got to be the opposite. Right, I've got it. I have it now. Then comes, that's white, or is that, no, that's not white, that's green. Is this one white? Yes. Then I've got minty green again. I'm not running out of anything yet, I don't think. My consistent pattern, and light purple again. Now should I do it so that, I'm going to go from dark purple here, and then it'll go like that, and then it'll go like that, and then I'll have to fill in this space, these other spaces with something else, because then it will be like an X. I really like the pattern. Could fill in this hole here, and this hole here, and maybe that hole there. Those two out, keep that one in.
bensound.com. 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 bensound.com.
I'm going to leave that for now. I'm going to think of ideas for that whilst I build. And I'm going to build my little box. This little box.
bensound.com. 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 bensound.com.
Now I'm going to finish doing my box. Now that I know how many pieces I have left.
bensound.com.
Is it possible to I'm going to use this keyboard, So what if I swapped this dot?
bensound.com.
Hang on a minute.
bensound.com. 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 bensound.com.
I think that will do for my back. Should I use pieces though? I'm gonna make some purple circles.
bensound.com. 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 bensound.com.
Cinderella. I have Olaf. I have the Beast.
bensound.com.
And then I have a micro figure Elsa, a micro figure Olaf, a micro figure Ariel in a dress, a micro figure Ariel with a tail, a micro figure Krista. Now let's see if they all fit in.
bensound.com.
They're all safe.
bensound.com.
Now all I need is a photo to put in here. I have just the thing. Very old Lego creating card.
bensound.com.
See, it's very old because the colour's been fading away. It was yellow here, orange here, blue here, and red here. But anyway, I have my little Lego panda. This says, create number 67, panda. Task. This panda is a little lonely. Everybody needs a friend, right? Create the perfect panda pal for this guy. And don't forget to build some bamboo. A bear's got to eat. Now, I guess you just rest the photo in there. It's got to be smaller. It doesn't rest very well.
bensound.com.
But if that was smaller, like, oh, there we go. So these are my, just pretend that's what myself. So these are my secret boxes. Hang on. Oh yeah, I can fit something in here. I'll have to figure out what I can put in there. Tell me in the comments if you have any ideas. These these are my boxes. There's two
bensound.com.
good boxes. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.